In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a check in QuickBooks Online. Recording a check in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process, and doing it accurately ensures that your financial records are up to date and reliable. To begin, you'll want to locate the New button, situated conveniently at the top left of your dashboard. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Check. This opens a new window where you'll begin entering the check details. Start by identifying the payee. This is the individual or business to whom you are issuing the check. It's essential to ensure the correct payee is selected to avoid any confusion or errors in your records. Next, choose the bank account from which the funds will be drawn. Make a careful selection here. It determines where the money for this check will come from in your bank accounts listed in QuickBooks. If your check is handwritten, you'll need to enter the payment date. This should be the date you actually wrote on the check. However, if you plan to print the check at a later time, simply select the current date. This step ensures the correct date is associated with the check for accurate record keeping. Now, on to the category of the check. Selecting a category helps in tracking your expenses and ensuring the transaction is recorded under the correct account. If you don't immediately see the category you need in the list, QuickBooks offers the option to Add New. This is quite handy for those unique expenses that may not fit traditional categories. Once you've categorized the check, you can add additional details. This could be a description of what the check is for. This description can be as detailed as you need, providing clarity in your financial records, especially useful if you review them at a later date. Now it's time to enter the amount of the check. Precision is key here, as you'll want this amount to match the actual check you're issuing. After entering the amount, locate the top right section of the screen to input the check number. If you don't have a check number ready, or if you're planning to print the check later, be sure to check the box labeled Print Later. This option helps to keep everything organized if you're not immediately ready to finalize the issuing of the check. Once everything is filled out and double-checked for accuracy, navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen and click Save. This finalizes the recording of your check in QuickBooks Online. And there you go. With these steps, you've successfully recorded a check in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining accurate financial records is invaluable for your business, so make this part of your routine.